on me while you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you like these sort of videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and if you like the wig that I'm wearing, click that eye on the top right so you can get all the information. Thank you so much Luvme Hair for sending me another wig, you guys. Stay tuned to see what came inside the box before we get to the hair. So today I have a loose wave bronze brown glueless face wig. You guys, this wig is so nice. I can't describe the color to you, but as you can see, it's giving, I feel like it's giving like a ginger brown type vibe. I just love this color. This wig is a TPartWig. It comes with 4 combs as well as adjustables. This wig was super comfortable and easy to apply, you guys. I didn't have any problems. This is what the knots look like, and you guys, I personally don't think you need to do any bleaching of the knots. That's honestly your preference. It depends on what you like, but this wig, honestly think it was pre-bleached in a way. The knots were not that big and noticeable at all. Honestly, you would have thought the knots were bleached. So this is what the wig looks like. It was super soft, and at first I thought it was a middle part wig, but honestly I think this is a side part wig just because of the way that the cap was designed. I feel like this is supposed to be a side part wig. Either way, the wig was bomb. I was just excited to try this on, you guys. It was super easy. The lace, all I needed was a little bit of a tint on it and I was good to go. Like I said, you guys, this is a TPart wig that goes from ear to ear. It's glueless, and the lace is a Swiss medium brown lace, which was super easy to work with. The hairline is pre-plucked, which gives it a more natural look. I did not pluck this wig either. It was good enough for me. And there I am adding the tint. If you guys want to know which lace tint I'm using, make sure you click the top right so you can get information. Right now I'm just tinting the lace, and that's literally all I had to do. After this, I'm gonna just try the wig on one more time just to make sure it's fitting me, it's comfortable, I don't need to do any more adjustments, and then I'm going to work on cutting the lace and fitting it to my hairline. I did cut the lace off camera because it was much easier for me to do. If you like to see a separate video, just stay tuned. Eventually I will upload a video of me doing everything in detail so you can see, especially if you're a beginner. Some people are visual learners like myself, but stay tuned, you guys. If you want to see videos like that, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Maybe one day I might upload that video sooner than later and surprise you guys. So yes, I did cut the lace. I used some scissors at first, and then I transferred over to a eyebrow razor. So of course you want to make sure your wig is laying flat. The texture of this wig is loose wave. I didn't have to go back and do any curling. All I had to do was comb it and make sure the waves were doing what needed to be done. It really was super easy. I didn't do any extra curling. It was a pretty good unit. I highly recommend you using a hot comb for your wigs in general, period. I added some heat protectant. Make sure you go ahead and do that. This hair was literally, it feels like it is human hair, but it literally feels like it's my hair. That's just how soft and easy this was to manage. There was no shedding, and there was definitely no tangling. Everything just fell into place, and I really recommend this wig. I love the color. Again, I loved how it was already pre-plucked for me. I didn't have to do anything. At first, I did not slick down my sideburns because I wanted to save that for last. I'm really just focusing on the front of my hair that's really going to be shown. And I'm going to come back and touch that up. I showed you guys my lace tint on camera and me adding some makeup, especially to the part. But I also went back and did a couple more adjustments to the lace in the front so that everything could blend and look melted, especially because I wasn't using any glue. I wanted to make sure everything looked like it was coming from the scalp. And I think I achieved that look. This was probably my best install. I feel like I'm getting much better. This wig from Luvme Hair was super easy to work with. It's definitely beginner friendly, especially if you're just getting into the lace game. This wig is honestly a really good start, and it's on sale, you guys. I honestly wouldn't miss out on this. At first I was a little intimidated, but it surprised me how good this looked. Like I said, I'm going to be adding some makeup, and off camera I'm also adding makeup. and I will be slicking down some hairs. I didn't cut any baby hairs. I just wanted to slick it down because I have more plans for this wig. I didn't want to do too much and mess it up on camera. So I basically just slicked that down and it made everything look more natural. I'm gonna keep using a hot comb on my hair. I'm gonna keep brushing it down, just playing with it so that it looks as best as it can. And I did change my shirt because I wanted to go ahead and take some photos for this hair. So just keep watching and you'll see me do some final touches. This hair, to me, it was a 9 out of 10. I only say a 9 out of 10 because I wish I could have parted this in another way. This wig, it only has one part, and this side part, it was literally all I needed because I love side parts, but I do wish I was able to do more parts with this wig because I love the hair and the wig, period, you guys. This was a really nice wig. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sending me this wig. If you guys want to purchase this wig, make sure you check the link down below and just watch me as I model this hair because it just looks so good. I couldn't believe it. As you can see, I did add some hairspray to the sideburns so that it'll lay much better, which is a great trick, especially if you're not doing the ball cap method. You want to make sure those sideburns are down so y'all looking crazy. If you guys want to see me install more, definitely stay tuned. Hit the like and subscribe because I have more videos like this coming up. I appreciate you guys so much for watching me on my journey and subscribing. Everybody who's new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that like button. Once again, make sure you check the description if you want information on this wig, any information that I may have missed. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for always sending me gorgeous, fun, easy, beginner friendly wigs, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
That's a weak disease. Hold on, run up. If you're broken in my business, then just shut up. Taking trips, had to get away, baby. Posting pics.